What if I told you that one of the best electric SUVs you can buy today starts at just over $34,000? Yeah, you heard that right. While Tesla and other premium brands are pushing prices higher and higher, Hyundai just dropped this bombshell with the 2025 Kona Electric, and today we're taking a deep dive into why this little electric crossover might just be the smartest EV purchase you can make right now. Now before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we've got some incredible EV content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Let's talk performance first, because I know that's what you're all wondering about. Under the hood, well, there is no hood really, but you get two motor options. The base model pumps out 133 horsepower, which honestly sounds weak on paper, but here's where it gets interesting. The upgraded 201 horsepower version will rocket you from 0 to 60 in exactly 7 seconds flat. Now that might not sound Tesla quick, but for everyday driving, it's more than enough to embarrass that guy in the pickup truck at the red light. Space-wise, this generation is a massive improvement. The old Kona felt like a penalty box in the back seat. This new one actually fits real humans back there, and cargo space is genuinely usable. Now let's talk about what you actually experience inside this thing. The interior is a masterclass in not overthinking things. While other manufacturers are going crazy with tablet everything, Hyundai kept actual buttons and knobs for the stuff you use most. You've got dual 12.3-inch screens that look premium, but you can still adjust your climate control without diving through 17 menu layers. But here's where Hyundai really nailed it. They fixed the biggest problem from the previous generation. Remember how the old Kona Electric would spin its wheels like crazy every time you tried to accelerate? Well, those days are gone. The new Kumho tires and refined torque delivery make this thing actually usable in the real world. Range anxiety, let's address the elephant in the room. You've got two battery options here. The standard 48.6 kilowatt-hour battery gives you 200 miles of range, but here's my recommendation. Go for the bigger 64.8 kilowatt-hour pack. It bumps you up to 260 miles of EPA estimated range. And in real-world testing, we're seeing around 230 miles, which is honestly pretty solid for this price point. So here's the thing about the Kona Electric that immediately caught my attention. This isn't just another compliance car that automakers throw together to meet regulations. This is a seriously thought-out electric vehicle that actually makes sense for real people with real budgets. Charging is where things get really practical. DC fast charging takes you from 10 to 80% in just 43 minutes. That means a quick coffee stop turns into a meaningful range boost. For home charging, you're looking at overnight top-ups with a level 2 charger. Here's the bottom line. Starting at $34,270, the Kona Electric delivers everything most people actually need in an electric SUV. It's practical, it's reliable, it's got Hyundai's incredible warranty, and most importantly, it doesn't feel like a compromise. What do you think? Is the Kona Electric the EV sweet spot we've all been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.